I gotta share my screen. What's up, people? This is our first or second tutoring session of the semester. Come on with it. We're gonna sign ourselves in, do I do, make sure we are being a part of the discussion. And I'm gonna share my screen. We're gonna get this party started. Share my screen. All right. I'm not going over all of this. I'm gonna do something just right fast and right quick. All right. So yeah, X. Ooh, gotta draw. So the square root of X. What exponent does it always have?
Two.
Not two. What's the
It's one.
reciprocal? No. What's the reciprocal of two?
-2.
No, not the inverse. Reciprocal. The multiplicative inverse of negative. Of two. Ooh, y'all at the brand new. You know Harold don't like that. Y'all about to come on with it. 8 people who was here.
I can't see your screen.
0.5.
0.5. 0.5.
0.5.
X to a half power or zero 0.5. Remember, in this tutoring and in my future classes, I can't be at the brand new. Don't act like you never been taught anything, because you do that, I will open that grade book and get you right. So what if I have something like this? Oh, I gotta definitely hurry up. Someone trying to join? All right. So how do I rewrite this using your Math Nation homework that you guys did? And for those who was in B Day, you got started on it. If you wasn't aimed at, come on. How do I read this?
X.
Hmm.
Uh, then you put I don't. I think is put the three at the bottom and two on the top. I
That's
don't know.
right. That's right, Jefferson.
Oh,
Come
all
through,
right, all
Jefferson. That's how you supposed to do it. Speak up. Make yourself be heard. That is how you get these 60 points. If you have not spoke or said anything, I'm about to kick you out. Remember, my tutoring rules is for you to talk. Silence will get you nothing. So far, I heard from Kane. I heard from Jefferson. Where shall I come on?
I did say 0.5.
Okay, that's not doing nothing for me. You about to do better. So come
Right.
on with it. Let's see what you guys got. I'm looking for the best. Airman for themselves. Let's do this quickly so we can keep it pushing. Okay, Miss Kane, nice. And don't forget about your project number 3 that is due on MLK Day. I'm gonna have a dream that you're gonna have an A, or I'm gonna have a dream that you're gonna get a zero for that project. Four people, we got 30 seconds, and I'm about to bounce. All right, let's do it. 5 people. Make sure you know the law of exponents. Don't answer that one. Nah. Well, I can't count and see who wins this one.
I got it right.
Unfortunately, you guessed. Oh, y'all should know this one. Come on, think about it. Lovely job, y'all. Miss Sanford was good. What's good, Sanford person? All right. Why this answer is correct? Why is this B? Can someone explain why this B? Remember, silent kids get put out. Why is it B? Why is it 5? Why is it not -5?
Cause that's a positive 125.
Okay. Yeah. So why is it 5?
Yeah.
Then you simplifying that 1 and 3 on top of that 125.
How you simplify that? The exponent of 1/3 is what kind of thing starts with the R?
Ratio.
But it's a rational number. Good eye. It's a radical. One 1/3 is a radical. So that means that the cube root of 125 is what?
5.
Perfect. Good job, Jeff. So this is how you're supposed to do it. Rest you guys make yourself be heard. You're not talking. I cannot give you 60 points. I'm hearing the same people. Even if you got questions, talk to me. Silence can't get you nothing, people. Let's see what's popping. Someone got this right. Okay, let's talk to the people who got this wrong. I need new people. Also, for people who just joined in, that's the pin I need for you to be in this Kahoot. Remember, to get points in tutoring, you have to be a part of the participation. Silence will give you a 0. So if you know you ain't gonna say anything, this is your time to bow gracefully. Log off. All right. All right, y'all. Talk to me. Why did you get this wrong? For those who did, speak up.
So I subtracted the 6 from the 9, and then I multiplied it by 3.
Okay. Someone else. Thank you, Miss Kane. That is how you get this tutoring grade. You talking
I
to me
just
so I can help you. Go ahead.
what the question was asking.
Yeah. What did the question ask? This is your education. Just speak.
I got it wrong because I ain't never do this yet. I ain't never do mathematics because I was doing my ANET today. That's why I ain't never get to it.
All right, see, but you talking to me about it. See, you doing the basics of tutoring. Tutoring is about you guys talking. Silence will give you a 0. That's all I'm asking you guys to do at this moment. I'm not. It's all right if you didn't do the math at this moment. I'm cool with that. But this is all just present so you guys could learn how to do it. Anyone else? I heard from Sanford. I heard from Miss Kang. I heard from Gray. Anyone else? All right. For those who got it right, why? Why did you get this right?
Well, I gotta go back to it. Well, I can't see it.
It's right there.
I can't see your screen.
I don't know what to tell you. I'm showing it. But Tyler, I have heard a lot of you, so that's cool. I'm gonna explain this to the other people. So you guys, that problem was, make sure you guys got it for me. It was square root of something like this: x to the power of 6, y to the power of ninth, right? So for this problem, this root, how you write this root? Because remember, you're dealing with rational exponents. How you write the root of 3? So if this is a half power, then 1/3 is what? I just gave y'all the answer.
1/3.
That's right. So it's going to be x to the power of 6, y to the power. Oh, why is this acting crazy? 9. I'm sorry, y'all. So it's basically, why is this not working? X to the third times 6, and then x to the third times 9. And we multiply that, what you get? 1/3 times 6 is what?
6/3.
Six
And
thirds.
what did that simplify to? 6
2.
of, so here we go. So it's going to be 2. Nice. Someone buzzing me? Okay, good. Oh, I see why you guys got the answer. All right. So this Kahoot is incorrect. So that was my fault on that one. I was wrong for having you guys get that Kahoot. So there. And then from here it's gonna be y third. Why? Because 1/3 times 9 is what? 9/3 when simplified to what, y'all? That's it.
3.
So if you actually got this right, I give this to you. Because this Kahoot was incorrect, I cannot award the first place winner in this particular Kahoot. I did not make the Kahoot, so no one will be winning the homework pass.
Oh, I won first place.
Tyler, you don't get yourself right?
Huh?
Get right. Ain't no more winning no prize. Congrats, you won
Right.
first place. Good job. But no prize will be, there's no prize be given. Try this one, y'all. See what you could come up with. I think after this question we're gonna stop. I want to, go over project 3 with you guys so you guys can understand what you're supposed to be doing. We got 9 minutes left for tutoring. I do apologize that it's shorter than usual. All right, let's see. 3 of you guys got it right. That's right. Perfect. Nicely done, y'all. All right. Ooh, that girl came in so late for tutoring. Unfortunately, I'm going to deny her entry. She came in too late. All right, y'all. Let's talk about project number 3 information. All right. So you guys, project number 3, do not forget it is due. When is project number 3 due, y'all?
On the 16th, right?
On the
You said
16th.
um,
16th. Always been the 16th. Haven't changed anything. But one thing I do want to address to you guys is the plagiarism. So if I say plagiarism, what am I saying? What are you doing that I don't like?
Copy and paste.
I don't like that at all. Pay attention to here. Any academic dishonesty will result to 0 and documentation on J campus. I do not like it. This little project 3, this is all about last semester. So all I'm asking for is the precise definition of mathematics for you to state it and explain it in your own words. Explain what is a polynomial. We talked about that, and that's a lot of the examples that I gave. Application of polynomials. So when you go to Google, like say if I want to copy and do this, you could do this, copy this information, and then if you go Google Classroom, Google, sorry, you could paste to look up the information. So here we go. Polynomials are used for engineering, computer, math-based jobs. I want you to be specific about what math-based jobs. And what you mean by management, because remember, you got to give me 10 examples. So make sure that you're looking at this. Make sure you don't type verbatim. You don't copy and paste. Put stuff in your own words. One example I could give you guys about polynomials is this. So let me ask you guys a question. What is 5? Yes, the 5 is a polynomial. Talk to me about it. Why is 5 a polynomial? What does it have? What does any integer have? 6 minutes remaining.
an exponent of 1.
They have an exponent, not 1. What they do, but they have something else invisible.
0. Wait.
You're right. They have a invisible exponent of 0. We don't see this because x to the power 0 is always what?
The
Remember,
number.
Is it gonna be 0?
no, always
1?
1.
It's gonna be 1.
Always. Anything to the power 0 is always 1. 5 times 1 is just 5, right?
Yeah.
So we know about 5. What if I put 5 in the grade book? What grade would that be? Your grade is a polynomial. Think about that. Your paycheck for those who got a job is a polynomial. All right? So that's 2 examples that off the bat you could think about. All right? So keep that in mind when you work in this project. I got 5 minutes left. All right? Volume. What's volume? What does it mean for something to have volume? We like to drink pops, don't we?
That's
Oh,
how
you're
dense
not gonna
something
say
is.
pop. You gotta say drink. You gotta say drink or pop. I don't know how y'all say it down here. I say pop. So you
Cold
know,
drink.
a cold drink.
Yeah, cold drink.
So you guys, there are jobs in Baton Rouge that uses that you can do based on your geometry skills, because you have to use volume. You know, to fill up containers, like working in the Coke factory. You know, you could just do that. So again, I'm showing you all the applications and stuff. You could look through here if you want to. There's just so many things you can do. I won't recommend that page because that page sucks. So you can look here and stuff like that. All right. So those are places where you can look at. This is a good page, application of polynomials. Put in your own words. Some of this is based on your own experience. Again, jobs with polynomials, they're everywhere. McDonald's, anything that deals with money, everything deals with time. Those are polynomials. Again, pretty much just that. And I also just talked to you guys about regarding your everyday life. I just told you something that you just seen. Your grade. That's everyday life. Your rubrics. Remember, all I'm asking for is student demonstrate knowledge of polynomials from previous semester. Stated facts from his or her notes. Going back to Google Classroom. So most of the stuff you need is in Google Classroom. I'm going to show you where to go to get that information. All right? Let me go down to rubric. All right? And that's pretty much just that. And make sure you have some good looking presentations. I'm going to show you one of someone who have a good presentation. All right? So in Google Classroom, matter of fact, go to my YouTube. We're almost done, y'all. Hang on. I got a few more minutes. Hang on. Go to my damn videos. So, of course, in their exponents, Happy New Year. And these are posted in Google Classroom. Once you get to one video, you will have access to all of them. Unit circle, 79 weeks, polynomial test secrets, graphs of polynomials, project 2 reminders, you could use that. Ah, there we go. The precise definition of mathematics. I gave it to you in the video. And guess what? Guess how many minutes it is? 8 minutes. And that time, it's polynomials. So you don't have to do too much digging. Y'all, please don't copy and paste out Google. Don't do it. Put in your own words. You know, I want to read it. I want to be like, okay, that's Miss Gray. I know that's Miss Gray. Okay? You present it to me. All right. One other thing to show you guys in Google Classroom that I gotta see. And I'm looking at this kid's presentation because it's very, very nice. And I like how he did it. And he gonna be all right for me picking on him on it. Project 3. All right. And yes, guys, please be careful because again, Google tells me everything. This is his presentation. Beautiful and easy to read. He's not finished with it, but this is what he got. Very pretty. If I were you, if you're going to copy a graph, make sure there's a different color because I want to see the graph. All right? And that's the picture I wanted to see. Okay? You see how he gave me a cute little example of each? Now, I'm cool with that. But he just got to get his pictures together. Now, that's a beautiful picture. He got some of his stuff wrong because I'm looking for jobs. But this is nice. You know for a fact he didn't. Yeah, I know he got that off the internet. But he's not done though. But that's why I need to see. And that's why I'm reading. And again, if you copy and paste, I'ma know it. If you decide to write in, if you wrote some stuff off the internet, I would know it. All right, y'all. It is 4:01. I want to thank y'all so much for coming on such a quick tutoring session. You will get those 60 points. And again, it's imperative for you guys to make sure that part of my tutoring expectation, be on time. Don't be too late. All right? They'll come 10 minutes knowing that I gave you 30 minutes. They'll come 20 minutes afterwards. Can't let you in if it's past that time. Any questions for me about the homework?
No.
Everybody know go to Math Nation?
I
In
don't
case
got
you
no
don't.
question about the homework, but about the
Mm-hmm.
project, you was like, we need 10 examples, or you said something else.
No, it's just 10 examples of applications of polynomials.
Okay.
So just give me a good 10 examples. Like we just talked about some of them, and you just see some of them here too. Again, dealing with jobs, dealing with real life. Not to just find volume of a solid. Remember, talk about drinks, because that's what volumes is for. So just remember that. Perimeter of a shape. How I use perimeter of a shape in a real life situation? If I say search the perimeter, what am I saying? For those who play Call of Duty, I know two of you guys
Like the
do.
area?
Search the area of what? Of the building.
Yeah.
So perimeter is that. Police use that. So you guys understand why I'm getting at with this? Everyone understand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All
Yeah.
right. So yes, guys, these 60 points that I'm I'm putting them based on any work that you did not do. So if you was my B day and you missed the Kahoot, which was worth 120 points, you're gonna get 60 because you went here. If you don't have anything, you could save those 60 points for a rainy day. So if things happen, use them that way. All right. All right, y'all. Thank you for being awesome. Um, check your grades later on. If you don't got nothing late or you didn't turn in, if you got everything turned in, keep your 60 points for later. All right, y'all. Thank y'all. Be awesome. Have a good evening. Thank y'all for
You
coming.
too.
Bye, y'all.
Mr. Howard,
Yeah.
you talking about the Kahoot that we did as a class?
No, there was no B Day had a Kahoot for homework.
Oh,
No, I'm not talking about that. I need for you to just focus on Math Nation. Get that done.
that's what I'm doing right now.
Okay, get that together, done, and stuff
Hmm.
like that.
Okay.
All right. Jefferson, go ahead and get off, buddy. Well, you stay on. I'm gonna go. Bye. Oh, let me stop sharing.